It is indeed shameful to hear the Nigerian army beg Boko Haram, beg ISWAP, and then beg the bandits for reconciliation. Can you imagine that in this 21st century? No wonder this country is called the zoo. Very useless country called Nigeria. Can you imagine such nonsense? What are we not going to see in this country? First of all, they reintegrate bandits and herdsmen and terrorists into the Nigerian army and call them repentant, and then give them guns and uniform. And now you come out openly to beg this same terrorists for reconciliation. It's a terrible one, a very terrible one. Please watch and tell me what you have to say on the write-up section.
This country now what? Now the Nigerian army, they are apologizing to terrorist group. Nigerian army is apologizing to banditry. They are apologizing to ISWAP. They are apologizing to Boko Haram. That they should reconcile. That people are tired of dying. People are tired of dying. Let them reconcile. They want to negotiate with Boko Haram. Although it's not new thing, they have been doing it. But you cannot dialogue with the IPOB. You cannot dialogue with secessionists, those who are crying for secession. No, they are the problem of the country. They are the killers. Yes, now. You will call them that they are the killers. They are the people who are bringing down Nigeria. This is a sad warning. I want to use this medium to warn the South governors, the Southwest governors, and the Southeast governors, most especially the Southeast governors. Now, you have seen with your eyes that the Nigerian army are now apologizing to Boko Haram. They want to reconcile. But this same Nigerian army will come to your land. You will give them the permission to come and kill your people. Instead of dialoguing with your people. Instead of making your people to know your mind and to know what to do. And to secure your states. Instead of you negotiating with the IPOB and talk to them one-on-one. Let's see how we can sort things out. No, you don't want to do it. The Nigerian army that you will call to come and kill your people, or that you are calling to come and kill your people, they are now apologizing to terrorist group in the northern part of Nigeria. You see? This is my advice to you. Go and call your people. I'm talking to the South governors, the Southwest governors, and the Southeast governors. Go and apologize to your people. Buhari cannot save you. Buhari cannot save you. Nobody will save you. Even God will not forgive you. The only people who can forgive you are your people, the people you represent. Go and apologize. Go and make peace. Either they are crying for secession, either they are IPOB, either they are Oduduwa, whatever thing that they are crying for, they are fed up with this administration. The truth must be told. Nigerians have lost hope all over the world. We have lost hope. This administration is not friendly. It's not favorable. It's nonsense. In fact, it's one of the worst administration in the history of Nigeria. I'm apologizing to you all. Go and apologize to your people. Nobody will save you. Forget about them giving you soldier to go and kill your people. That will not bring dialogue. That will not bring peace. That will not bring unity. They are just worsening the case for you. They will worsen the case for you and they will destroy you. If you don't listen to us, you want to listen to the presidency because we don't have a president. We have presidency. You want to listen to Garba Shehu. You want to listen to Femi Adesina to go and kill your people. You will tell them to bring army because you are looking for no government. You are looking for ESN. You are saying that to come and kill people. Go and apologize. Go and make peace. EFCC will not save you. Nobody will save you. We, the citizens, we, the patriotic citizens, will save you. We will save you and save your family. If you think the presidency can save you, tell the presidency to go and keep Boko Haram in Sambisa Forest. Tell them to cure insecurity in Nigeria. Tell them to cure it in the northern part of the country. Tell them to cure it. They cannot cure it. They cannot cure insurgency in the north. But they want to cure ASN in the southeast. People who are defending their land. People who doesn't want Fulani to rape their mothers and their sisters and to eat their farmland. You want to kill them. And you think history will be friendly with you. If you don't repent and apologize to your people, your life will be miserable. Forget about that you are a governor, either you are a councillor, either you are a senator. Be your position or whatever position you belong to. Presidency cannot save you. The only people who can save you are the citizens, your people, the people you represent. Take this advice from me. But if you fail to do it, I swear it will be so disastrous. I swear. You will not like the settings. Take it or leave it.